Being a caregiver can be a thankless task, but one that we know deep inside that we need to do. It can generate a wide range of emotions, create great challenges and frustrations, and in some ways, dominate our regular life. You need a tool, a friend to be there with you, to help you develop the strength, wisdom, patience, and capacity to live your life while serving as a caregiver. The intensive journal method can be that companion to help give you the resources to guide you on this journey.
As a caregiver, the range of emotions you experience can be overwhelming. Fear, worry, anger, frustration, helplessness, guilt, these feelings can consume you in a situation that is constantly evolving and difficult to control. It's crucial to connect with your broader life to find perspective and emotional balance. Remember that being a caregiver is significant, but it doesn't define your entire existence. Explore other interests and activities that contribute to your overall well-being. By maintaining and developing different aspects of your life, you can find solace beyond the role of a caregiver. Take a moment to reflect on the reality of your current life situation. Consider your role as a caregiver and how it impacts your own well-being. Acknowledge the care receiver and the challenges they face, while also recognizing your other interests and responsibilities. This self-reflection allows you to understand the intricate dynamics at play and explore your own feelings within this complex web.
To gain a deeper understanding of your relationships with key individuals in your life, such as the care receiver, family members, physicians, therapists, and others, employ Progoff's dialogue techniques. Engaging in meaningful conversations using this method can provide additional perspectives and insights that may have been previously hidden. By embracing dialogue, you open the door to greater understanding and connection. Embrace the power of our writing process to find clarity, confidence, hope, and peace of mind in your caregiver situation. Writing can be a therapeutic tool, allowing you to explore your thoughts and emotions with greater clarity. Through this process, you can uncover new insights and develop a sense of assurance amidst the challenges you face. Lastly, prioritize stress reduction and prevent burnout by utilizing our process to address issues as they arise. Proactively working through these challenges can help you maintain a healthier state of mind. By facing stress head-on, you give yourself the opportunity to find solutions and create a more balanced caregiving experience. Remember, your well-being is just as important as the care you provide.
My first workshop with the intensive journal method was in December 2014. I was retiring due to illness, and the workshop brought me many insights and helped me move through a difficult time. In September 2015, I moved my mom from Florida to Arizona to live with us. She could no longer live on her own and was beginning her dementia journey. We cared for my mom for 3.5 years. It was one of the most difficult periods of my life. Until someone becomes a caregiver, there is no way to prepare for it. Each journey is difficult and different. I believe the intensive journal workshops and my use of the method between workshops saved my sanity. It helped me gain some perspective and hope, as well as the techniques to work with a constantly changing situation. I am extremely grateful for this process to help me live my life more effectively, and I highly recommend it to anyone.
By describing issues in your intensive journal workbook, you not only enhance your communication skills but also tackle difficult to describe or discuss matters head-on. This process allows you to establish better rapport with the care receiver and other individuals you interact with. As you delve into the deep inner level of the intensive journal process, you simultaneously improve your listening skills and become more attuned to your hunches and intuitions. This heightened sensitivity enables you to view issues from different vantage points and perspectives, fostering a deeper understanding of other points of view.
Learning the Progoff intensive journal method through Dialogue House workshops helped me tremendously as I cared for my aging mother. I was able to confront insecurities, fears, and frustration that arose for me in this new role. I remember particularly engaging in a written conversation with my father using the method's dialogue technique. He assured me that I was doing a good job and that my mother really appreciated my care. My father urged me to just keep doing what I was doing since I did it all with much love, and that was what she mostly needed, not perfection. The relief and insights that I got from using the intensive journal method could not have come about without the expert leadership and guidance of the Progoff workshop leader. I can't thank the program enough.
The Progoff Intensive Journal Program offers a powerful tool for personal growth and enhanced communication skills, enriching the caregiving experience in ways never thought possible. By connecting with your broader life and embracing the power of the intensive journal, you can find solace and understanding in your caregiving journey.